I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another dose of distraction. Before we get started on today's activity, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go on, like and subscribe. Did you do it? Great, let's get started. This month is all about celebrations. Did you know the Holi Festival of Colours in India is all about the victory of good over evil? And as superheroes, we are all about good winning. You've probably seen pictures of it where coloured chalk is thrown in the air, leaving people covered in colour. This festival is also known as the Festival of Love, the Festival of Colours, and the Festival of Spring. Speaking of colourful creations, today's craft activity is Kaleidoscope paint pouring. Here's what you'll need: a large piece of cardboard, some glue, coloured paints, a spoon, some paper cups. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Pour your coloured paint into separate paper cups or containers and add about half as much glue as you did paint. Or you could use something called a pouring medium, like Deravan, found at your local Spotlight. This just thins the paint, so it's easier to pour. Step 2. Using a spoon, mix the glue into each of the coloured paint pots. If you need to pause the video while you're mixing, you can, and I'll see your spoon. Step 3. Pour each coloured paint mix into a separate container in layers. Step 4. This one's a bit tricky. Pick up the container with the layered colours of paint in it and place your cardboard over the top, making sure the whole top of the container is covered. With your hand on top of the cardboard, gently flip it back over so the paint pours out. Leave the container to drain for a minute so all of the paint rolls down the edges inside. Step 5. Here we go. Gently remove the container and let the paint pour out, mixing the colours as it spreads. And here's your artwork. Well, this one's mine. Alternatively, you can just pour the individual colours onto the card in different spots and then hold it vertically, moving it on different angles to spread the paint around. Try this. Once dry, use your creations to make gift tags or gift cards, or frame them and give them as gifts. Gifts! Have no glue? Try adding some water to your paints and then use a straw to blow them around on the cardboard. Too easy? Try using larger sheets of paper and then use them as wrapping for special occasions. Or, if you can get your hands on some canvas, use that to make artworks for your wall or to be sewn into a fancy outfit. We can't wait to see what you've made. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more doses of distraction. I've been Captain Starlight and I'll see you next time. Bye!